what's up you guys? The Angel Shane 66 here. So this is my third vlog. And in this vlog, I'm gonna show you guys my very special friend. I'm sure you saw his cage in my last video. This is my bird. And his name is Orangey. He is an Orange Factor Canary. Orangey, little buddy, talk to the camera. Come on, Orangey. Talk to the camera. Talk to the camera, buddy. Say tweet tweet. Aw, he's being shy. Come on, Orangey. There we go. Yeah, he only talks sometimes. He is a male Orange Factor Canary, so he sings usually in the morning. Which it's really early in the morning now, it's like 7 a.m. That's why it's so dark in here. The sunshine hasn't come out yet. Say, can you tell the camera bye-bye, Orangey? Say, good little buddy. Say bye, YouTube vlog video. Okay. Well, there you guys go. That's my bird. And he's my very best friend. Like, I talk to him all the time. And of course, aside from tweeting, he doesn't really answer, but he's there for me, and we're buddies. So, that's that. So, there you guys go. And again, this vlog is kind of short and sweet and just... I am so new to this vlogging thing. But I'm sure my face is pretty bright. I'm in front of a light. I had to be in a different location for this video because it's very dark in here this morning. But I'll keep vlogging and eventually they'll get more interesting. But that's all. Okay. Love ya. Bye. Oh, and these are my black roses. Pretty sweet, huh? Alright. Bye-bye.